YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well and great. So I am super excited and more energetic for today's videos because today's video is going to all about my most personal favorite makeup product. Yes, it's highlighter.
Oh my god! Wow!
Okay guys, so in today's videos I am going to recommend you 5 most affordable highlighter, and they are starting from, like, you will go crazy after listening this price. They are starting from 99 rupees. आजकल 99 रुपीज में क्या मिलता है, एंड यू आर गेटिंग अ गुड क्वालिटी हाईलाइटर इन 99 रुपीज. उससे ज्यादा क्या चाहिए, मतलब वी डोंट वांट एनीथिंग एल्स. Okay guys, so the first blush that I'm going to show you in this video is from the brand Inside, and I personally feel that this particular brand Inside is so underrated. Like, the products are so affordable and of a very good quality. This is how the packaging looks like, and this is in a silver color. So this highlighter is super pigmented. Can you see that? Can you see that? Like 99 rupees में you are getting this kind of pigmented highlighter. Like, सारे ही जो मैं आपको highlighters दिखाने वाली हूँ ना, this is my personal favorite highlighter among all of them because it's just super affordable, just for 99 rupees, and you can see the pigment. It's super pigmented and the color is really beautiful, and I am going to apply this highlighter on my cheeks because आज जो मैंने मेकअप करा है, मैंने हाइलाइटर अप्लाई नहीं करा है ये सोच के कि जो भी हाइलाइटर मैं आपको 1 by 1 दिखाती रहूंगी वही 1 by 1 मैं अप्लाई भी करती रहूंगी. एक इस चीक पे, देन इस चीक पे दूसरा हाइलाइटर, देन नोज पे दूसरा हाइलाइटर, देन इधर दूसरा हाइलाइटर, क्यूपिड बो पे दूसरा हाइलाइटर. सो जितने भी हमारे फेस पे हाईलाइट करने वाले पॉइंट्स होते हैं उसमें मैं डिफरेंट हाइलाइटर्स लगाने वाली हूँ ताकि आपको भी पता चल जाए कि फेस पे इसका एप्लीकेशन कैसा है. So I'm just going to take this brush as of now because I don't have the highlighter brush. So I'm just going to hold it from the tip of this brush, and I'm just going to take some highlighter from this. By the way, this is not a powdery this is not a powdery highlighter. This is creamy highlighter. Can you see that?
Once more! Once more! Once more!
I'm just going to apply that with my finger because मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है brush. Oh my god! I know थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो गया. I know that. But still, I want to show you the pigmentation of this highlighter. It's super pigmented. Quality of this highlighter is so good. But the shade name of this blusher is 04 Frosted Heart, and this is 3.5 gram of a product which retails for 99 rupees, as I already mentioned. And this particular blusher is available on Amazon, Flipkart, Nykaa, Myntra, Purple. So yes, आप इसको कहीं से भी ऑर्डर कर सकते हो. I have bought it from Amazon. I didn't got any discount. Maybe you will get some. Okay, so the second highlighter that I'm going to show you in this video is from the brand called Chubbs or Chubs. I don't know how to pronounce it. So this is the brand name. This is how the blush looks like. Basically, this is a brick shimmer blush. So it's glam glow highlighting shimmer bricks. So yeah, this is how the packaging looks like. This is how the blusher looks like. It looks really beautiful, and in this particular blush you get very different color blush. मतलब आप एक ही box में you are getting different colors. So सबसे पहले इस सिल्वर ब्लश जो कि यूजुअली आता है, द सेकेंड वन इज रोज गोल्ड ब्लश, द थर्ड वन इज ब्राउन गोल्डन, एंड इन दिस पर्टिकुलर ब्लश यू गेट वेरी डिफरेंट कलर ब्लश. मतलब आप एक ही बॉक्स में यू आर गेटिंग डिफरेंट कलर्स. सो सबसे पहले इस सिल्वर ब्लश जो कि यूजुअली आता है, द सेकेंड वन इज रोज गोल्ड ब्लश, द थर्ड वन इज ब्राउन गोल्डन, एंड दिस पिंक हाइलाइटर also. So in total you are getting 5 different blusher in only one packaging, and this retails for just 149 rupees. Can you imagine 149 rupees में आपको 5 different blushers मिल रहे हैं. तो अगर आप बाकी कुछ ऑर्डर नहीं भी करो, this is just fine and good to go. So I'm gonna take this silver blush first. Oh my god, can you see the pigment? I told you they're super pigmented. They're tried and tested. Yeah, it's not like I'm trying them on this video. They're already tried and tested. That is why I'm making a video on this highlighter. See how pigmented the color is, and all the highlighter is really beautiful. So, and now I'm going to try this third shade, which is golden. So see, I'm just gonna take it little closer. See, now I'm gonna take this pink blush and I'm just see. Oh my god, you can use this pink highlighter as a eyeshadow also, like उसके लिए भी आप use कर सकते हो. So now this is like 2 in 1 because pink highlighter generally बहुत कम use होता है लेकिन बहुत अच्छा लगता है, but बहुत ज़्यादा लोग use नहीं करते, तो you can use it as a eyeshadow also. So what I'm going to do, I'll just mix every color because ऐसे अगर मैं एक एक करके लगा के अपने दिखाऊंगी तो बहुत ज़्यादा मुझे यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक हाईलाइटर लगाने चाहिए. तो I just mixed every color from this brick highlighter and I'm just going to apply that. See how good it is looking. Can you see this? Pigmented. I don't know कैमरे पे कितना ज़्यादा आ पा रहा है अच्छे से, but in person it's looking so beautiful. And they are not very chatak batak highlighter. They are very subtle, very good shimmery highlighter. Not chatak, no batak, no shimmer, nothing like that, no fall off. So it's like that, yeah. Okay guys, so there's no shade name as such on this highlighter. So it comes in this 5 shades and this retails for 149 rupees. Okay, so I'll put the link of this highlighter in my description box. So अगर आप चेक करना चाहते हो तो डायरेक्टली वहाँ से चेक कर सकते हो. And it is also available on all the website. आप किसी भी वेबसाइट से ऑर्डर कर सकते हो जहाँ पे you are getting good discounts. So go grab this now. Okay guys, so the third blusher that I'm going to show you in this video is from the brand Miss Rose, and this is how the blush packaging looks like. See how beautiful the packaging looks. And अरे खुल जा भाई मेरी हमेशा. This is how the product looks like. This is how the actual blusher look like. Really sorry अगर मैं बार बार highlighter को blush बोल रही हूँ, आप समझ जाना we are only talking about highlighter, but मेरे मुंह से बार बार ऐसे blush निकल रहा है. This is pink in color. It's very 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 beautiful color. I'm just going to show you its pigment. See. So now I'm just going to apply this highlighter on my, I think मैं दोनों cheeks पे apply कर चुकी हूँ highlighter. So now I am going to apply this highlighter on the tip of my nose, or I guess my forehead. No, tip of my nose. Okay. So I'm just going to take this highlighter and I'm going to apply this. How beautiful. Okay, so I know some people might not like the color of this highlighter because not every person like पिंक हाईलाइटर. जनरली हाईलाइटर में वही कलर चलते हैं, सिल्वर, ब्राउनिश, ब्रॉन्ज, but I personally like pink highlighter. That is why I'm recommending you this. So this is the shade number 1313. There's no shade name available on this packaging, but yes, in this brand Miss Rose you will get other shades also like silver and that usual golden highlighter. But basically मैं सारे ही brands में वही usual same colors मंगा रही थी, तो that is why I did not wanted to go for the same usual silver and golden highlighter. I wanted to try something different. I saw that, I liked it, that is why I purchased it. So इस ब्रांड में आपको अगर ये पर्टिकुलर कलर नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, so obviously you can go for some other colors, but yes, this retails for 146 rupees, which is the best price you can get for this type of quality. So you should definitely try this, if not as a highlighter, as a eyeshadow. Okay, so the fourth blush that I'm going to recommend you in this video is from the brand Swiss Beauty. आजकल आप इसका बहुत नाम सुन रहे होंगे. So this is how the packaging looks like. It's very similar to this Miss Rose ones. The packaging is very similar. So this is how the blush looks like. I'm going to show you its pigment also. अब मेरे पास ना fingers नहीं बची हैं, सारे fingers पे. Okay, I'm just going to use my thumb. So I'll just take this. And where should I apply this? Oh. To take the same brush and I am going to apply this highlighter. I don't know which part has been left, so I'm just going to apply that on my skip it all. This is how the highlighter looks like, and the shade name of this blusher is 10. Not the shade name, the shade number is 10. There is no shade name as such. I think it only comes in this color. Like, I have checked it, I didn't find any other color in this particular brand. So yeah, so the color is pigmented, the highlighter is pigmented, looks really good. The color is so pigmented, the quality is so good, the price is affordable. Yes, I didn't tell you the price. So it retails for 299 rupees. मतलब एकदम एंड पे आके मैंने 300 टच करा है, बट पूरी तरीके से टच नहीं किया. 1 रुपये अभी भी उसमें लेफ्ट है. So this is also available on all the websites that I've mentioned before. Okay, so the fifth blush that I'm going to show you, it's actually not a blush, it's not a proper blush. There are other things too in this palette, and this particular palette I've showed in my previous videos also, and I've done this proper Swiss Beauty product reviews video on my channel. In that video also I've showed this palette, and this was my personal favorite palette, and this is how the palette looks like. I think I've showed this particular palette on this affordable beginner makeup kit also. Okay, so in this palette you get 6, you get 8 different colors, blusher, bronze, and the highlighter. So I'm just gonna take this highlighter and I'm just gonna see. This is also very pigmented. The quality of this highlighter is so good, and the whole palette retails for 230 rupees. So this is also super affordable. 230 rupees mein you are getting this blusher also, bronze also, and highlighter also. I forgot to tell you that this palette is also from the Swiss Beauty. Okay guys, and this is about the video. मैं कितनी plain सूखी इस वीडियो में आई थी, और अभी मैं कितने ऐसा चमकीला सा फेस लेके इस वीडियो से जा रही हूँ, बिकॉज मैंने सारे ब्लशर मिक्स कर दिए अपने फेस पे. Okay guys, so I hope आपको आज का वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो, यूजफुल लगा हो. If you do like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, which you always forget. Actually, I just realized in the end of this video, I made video on affordable lipstick. I think I made 2 videos on affordable lipstick. I made video on affordable blusher. Now I made video on affordable highlighters. So मैंने beginners का ना पूरा makeup kit की तैयारी कर लिया. I think
बढ़िया था गुरु.
only concealers are left and foundations are left. Next video I think मैं foundation पे ले आऊँगी या concealer पे ले आऊँगी.